Mason shoved a cookie up Kelsi's ass. This is a great video.
So freaking interesting.
It is. There's no more milk.
I want it off my chair.
At least you don't have to change shorts again tonight.
Ow. That hurt.
No. Kelsi's mom thinks those are cookies. I swear to God, they're not. That's where you bend down, bitch. What?
No.
Shove my dick up your nose.
Yeah, we need to do a lot of audio swapping for you. You swear on a regular basis. Notice how most people do the little bleepy thing over them, and you don't?
I'm cool. I don't need a bleepy bleep.
What if your family sees it?
My mom already knows. I've showed her the videos.
Like all of them?
Yep. I even made her watch the pool one. Look at that ass! Too much booty in the shorts!
There's too much booty in the pants.
There's too much booty in the pants! Do I end it? Cups.
Hey, I'm actually bald. This is my weave. I'm like Nicki Minaj.
Really?
No.
I wish I was Nicki Minaj. I've always wanted to be bald.
To my scalp?
No.
Oh my God, there's still freaking cookie crumbs. I can feel it on my thighs. That's not. No. I feel so violated.
You're welcome.